All right, let's get this going, man. Long tube headers, catless. We are in track mode. I want done. Drop my keys. It's a big difference from stock. And the car was actually stock. You already know I have to go ahead and get my little first drive home, you know, enjoy that myself. But now gonna strap on the GoPro and make some noise, man. If you guys enjoy, drop a like in the video, subscribe to the channel, and tell us post notifications, man. Let's get it. Goodness, man. Yes. Oh my god. Well, I'm gonna tell you guys this right now. I'm not gonna do any no lift shifting in this video because it is broad daylight. I am in Copland, so if you are, you know, in this area of Texas or know about this area of Texas, doing, you know, hard pulls out here is definitely a bad idea. But I will be making a separate video, obviously going ahead and getting some hard pulls in, and by then it's about that time of the year, folks. About to be heading to Mexico and getting some runs in, man. This is a 2016 Shelby GT350 that has stainless works long tube headers. These are catless. Now, I originally bought catted long tube headers, but the shop CUND Racing had the replacement pipes, so we were able to go ahead and go fully catless, which is a huge dub in my opinion, man. This car reeks, and I mean reeks, of E85. The car is tuned on E85. It is night and day as far as performance and obviously sound compared to stock. I mean, it's way, way different. In sixth gear, it's still quiet. I mean, I'm gonna roll the windows up for y'all right now. In sixth gear, it's quiet. And this is fully catless, by the way. So that lets you know that, I mean, sixth gear, downshifting, it's 100% livable. And this is in sport mode, because let's be honest, y'all. Sport mode, well, actually, no, I take that back. This is in track mode. Track mode is the best mode to be in, and it is 100% livable. Is that a cup? No, it is not. I was about to say, holy shit, that would have been really bad. But this thing is 100% livable, even in the track mode with the catless long tube headers, man. This thing sounds crazy, crazy. amazing though, guys. This is exactly how I wanted this car to sound. And to get in 6th gear, you can't even really hear it like that. What do y'all think? Let me know down in the comment section. Oh my goodness, dude. This thing is fucking loud, bro. Thank God I still have the active mufflers, man. Because if I didn't have the active mufflers, this could be a problem. I'm not gonna lie. Not obviously because it's too much noise for me, but it might be too much noise for everybody else, if you know what I mean. So thank God I retained the active mufflers. I can actually kind of still smell the exhaust kind of fumes burning off right now, because like this literally just got put on like yesterday. So super happy with everything right now, man. Again, let me know down in the comment section. This is the Stainless Works long tube headers, man. These are already in stock right now. So you're a Shelby GT350 and you're on the fence, get the Stainless Works, bro. Trust me, it is definitely worth it. They sound damn good. Oh shoot, I forgot to go ahead and let you guys know, because obviously this car got tuned with long tube headers and E85. The numbers it made. Now I have the screenshot of the dyno sheet. Do I want to go ahead and reveal that in this video? Fuck it, we're gonna go ahead and do it. You know me, man, I'm always transparent. I don't really give a shit. We about to go ahead and get down. But this car made on the dyno. Now I'm gonna say this right now, it made a lot more power than I thought it was going to make. Now I was originally thinking this car was gonna make like 510, you know, 515 to the tires at max. But the tune that I did get for the car, the straight E85 tune that I am on right now, this is, you know, this is a saucy tune. It's a spicy tune. It's a Texas 2K, you know, going to Mexico type tune. Now we maxed out the injectors, the stock injectors on this car. So if I want to make more power, obviously it's an NA setup right now, so I don't really care. But if I were to go get a CJ, I would have to go ahead and upgrade to some 47 pounders. But again, I do plan on boosting this car, so I don't really think that's really worth doing right now. But this car with long tube headers, JLT Cold Air Intake, obviously Catless, on the spicy tune that it is on right now, this car made 543 to the tires. Now again, I think that is incredibly high. I don't think these are corrected numbers. Again, it's just an NA setup. I really don't care. Again, it's just literally a headers E car only. It's a spicy tune, so we're gonna go ahead and test that out. Obviously, I'm gonna drag you the car to verify, and we're gonna go ahead and run some cars to see exactly, you know, what this thing does do on the street. Because if this is a true 543 to the tire, this thing is gonna move out. Now I did do a pull in this car on the way home just to test it out, to make sure there was no cutting out, because with the 2 valve, if you guys are unaware, when I first got the car tuned, actually out here, we had a voltage issue where it would cut out under watt. And I did do no lift shifting. I did a no lift shift. I did a 60 to 130, and it actually blew the tires off 60 roll in 2nd gear, like how I would do a normal roll race. Actually I was like at 55 miles an hour, so hopefully it doesn't spin. But it felt really good, really good, significantly quicker, and that was with the stock manifolds and the air box in the trunk of the car as well. So whew, we're gonna go ahead and see exactly what this car does do. I'm not sure if I'm gonna draggy it first and then go race it, or if I'm just gonna go race the car and then draggy it after. Part of me wants to go ahead and race the car, then draggy it, because I kind of want to go ahead and see if these draggies that people be putting up on the Facebook page, if you guys are part of the draggy Facebook page, you guys know, I mean, some of these cars, the range is quite extreme for the same mods. I know a tune can mean a lot. I mean, hell, on paper this car made 543, so this is technically right now proof that a tune could mean a lot. But again, I haven't tested it. But some of the ranges that those cars I see on draggy, are kind of extreme, and I know for a fact I'm gonna run into quite a bit of those cars in during Texas 2K Mexico action, because I know some of those cars in person. So we're gonna go ahead and find out, man. Again, I think I'm gonna race the car and then draggy it, because hopefully this car is kicking ass and it draggies a lot slower than, you know, I originally thought, because that would go ahead and debunk a lot of the bullshit that, you know, I believe is put in that draggy form, and a lot of information. So we'll see. I think I'm gonna do that. All right, that's enough talking, man. Let's go ahead and enjoy this car. This thing is loud as fuck, man. Like I said, just driving, just to give you guys the experience, the first drive. Hard pulls are coming up. Honestly, the timing that I'm dropping this video, shit, I might be racing the car. I might be kind of backed up. God. Woo, I know I'm waking these people up here in Missouri City. This is also a cop territory, so gotta be careful. Car is so smooth though, man. That fool looked at me like, what the fuck? Throw this in normal mode so you guys can kind of see the difference, since we are in a school zone and we are in cop land. So this is normal mode, y'all. I mean, this is exactly why I wanted to keep the active mufflers. It's way different. Honestly, I think normal mode, this is what I believe just like a cat delete GT350 would sound like, is what this setup is in normal mode. All right, hope you guys enjoyed the POV drive. Want to go ahead and get my experience as well as my 2 cents on everything that was done to the car. Let me know down in the comment section, like I said previously, what you guys think. You guys can probably tell it's getting real hot here in Texas. I am sweating through my shirt, but it's all good. The next video on the channel will most likely be a hard pulls video, or me getting some runs in, depending on the timing of everything. Let me go ahead and show you guys under the hood what things look like. You guys can see here, we got the JLT Cold Air Intake. And if we go over here, you can see the Stainless Works long tube header. So pretty stout setup. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up the engine bay a little bit, just wipe it down. Whew. But this car is feeling great, man. Feeling amazing. It reeks, absolutely reeks of E85, but that is a very good thing. That is a very, very good thing. As always, if you guys enjoyed, make sure you drop a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, also turn on those post notifications. It's been your boy Ears, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one, man. Deuce.